Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here with another video from CES. And this time we are going to take a look at the new Royole FlexPai foldable phone. So let's start off first with the specs. This phone has a 7.8-inch display when folded open and a resolution of 1920 by 1440. It is running Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with Water OS based on Android Pie. It's got 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 or 256 gigabytes of internal storage depending on what version you get, with expandable memory of up to 256 gigabytes. It's got a dual camera setup with a 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel camera and a 3970 milliamp battery. Now honestly, for a phone that opens up to a tablet of that size, I think they should have given it a bit of a bigger battery. And I gotta be honest with you guys, having my first time hands-on experience with this device wasn't the best. And I'm talking about the whole feel of the phone and how it works and also the performance. Now, I will point out that this was only a test device and not the finished product, but I mean, even then, just folding up the phone alone wasn't the smoothest experience, and the performance wasn't the best either. Now, I understand the whole concept of what they are trying to do here. They want to be first in releasing a foldable phone, so I get that, and of course, they wanted to make something futuristic that will catch people's attention. And it has. Now, whether it's in a good way or a bad way, if they're going to like it or not, everyone is going to have their own opinion. Now, I do think they are on the right track as far as bringing something new and different. And I think with time and more work, it could eventually be something great, and I'm excited to see what the next version of this device will be. But for now, while I do think it's a cool idea, I still think it's just not there yet. Especially with the new Samsung foldable phone coming this year, I believe that it's going to set the bar for any other upcoming foldable phones. But I'd like to know your guys' thoughts. Leave them down in the comments sections below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.